Welcome to the Neuroscience online enrollment appointment. This presentation will provide an overview of the Neuroscience program and your degree requirements. The Neuroscience program has three possible entry pathways. Your entry pathway determines which faculty you belong to when you begin the program. Students who enter the Kinesiology and Health Science or Psychology pathway belong to the Faculty of Health. Students who enter the Biology pathway belong to the Faculty of Science. Regardless of your entry pathway, all curricular options in years 2, 3, and 4 will be available to all neuroscience students. You begin the program by entering the qualifying period. By the end of your first year, you must earn a minimum overall grade point average of at least a 7.5 on 27 credits earned. We will explain York's grading scale in the next slide. At the end of your second year, you will choose the stream that you would like to focus on for your third and fourth years. You can choose from one of cellular and molecular, cognitive and behavioral, or systems neuroscience. Even though you choose to focus on one stream, requiring a minimum of 12 credits in that area, you will also gain knowledge in the other streams by taking a minimum of 12 credits from the other two areas. Please note that you can choose any stream regardless of your entry pathway. You will be introduced to the main areas of neuroscience in the first year neuroscience course, NRSC 1001, with further exposure to different areas in your second year. York has a 9-point grading scale. As noted in the previous slide, a minimum cumulative grade point average of 7.5 by the end of your first year is required to qualify for the neuroscience program. This is between a B+ and an A average. You will find your complete degree requirements in the academic calendar. Visit the link on the screen and search for your program. Take the time to get familiar with the requirements you'll need to complete over the course of your degree program. Next, we will take a look at an overview of your degree requirements in more detail. Residency requirement. A minimum of 30 credits and at least half the credits required in your major must be taken at York University. Next is the qualifying period. As noted, once you're admitted, you'll enter into a qualifying period. You must earn a minimum overall grade point average of at least a 7.5 on 27 credits earned at the end of your first year. Once you successfully complete the qualifying period, you will be allowed to continue in the BSc Specialized Honors Neuroscience program. Students continuing in the program after the qualifying period are required to maintain the continuation GPA requirement. The continuation requirement is as follows. Students must attain a cumulative grade point average of at least a 6.0, which is a B, on 30 credits in order to continue in the neuroscience program. Graduation requirement. All graduates must earn an overall total of 120 credits with a minimum overall cumulative grade point average of a 6.0, which is a B. General education. A minimum of 12 credits must be completed as follows. 6 credits at the 1000 level in approved Faculty of Health General Education or Humanities categories, and 6 credits at the 1000 level in approved Faculty of Health General Education or Social Science categories. Please note that students must complete the general education requirement within their first 60 credits. In addition, all general education courses must be approved. You will find instructions on how to locate the approved general education courses in the next presentation. Basic science requirement. A minimum of 15 credits must be completed as follows. 6 credits selected from math, and you can choose to either take Math 1013 3.0 and Math 1014 3.0 as a pair, or you can take Math 1506 3.0 and Math 1507 3.0 as a pair. You will also need 3 credits selected from computer science, and you will choose one of EECS 1520 3.0 or 1540 3.0 or 1570 3.0. Please note that you will need to complete your computer science requirement by the end of your second year. You will also need to take 6 credits from chemistry, including Chem 1000 3.0 and Chem 1001 3.0. Depending on your entry pathway, you will either take your required chemistry courses in your first year, if you're in the psychology entry pathway, or you will take them in your second year if you are in the kinesiology and health science pathway. Major credits. These are courses directly related to your program of study. Students must complete a minimum of 64 credits in the neuroscience major. Regardless of your entry pathway, all students in their first year will take Bio 1000 3.0, Bio 1001 3.0, Psych 1010 6.0, and Neuroscience 1001 1.0. Aside from the list of required courses, you will also need to take 12 credits from the list of courses in your chosen specialized stream, which you will declare after your second year of studies. You will also need to take 12 credits from the list of courses to satisfy the breadth requirement in the alternative specialized stream. As a reminder, these are the three streams that you can choose from. As noted on the previous slide, you will take 12 credits from your chosen stream and 12 additional credits from the two alternate streams. Upper level credits. A minimum of 42 credits must be taken at the 3000 or 4000 level, including 18 credits at the 3000 or 4000 level in the major, with 12 credits at the 4000 level. Required science credits outside the major. A minimum of 9 credits in science disciplines outside the major, of which 3 credits must be at the 2000 level or above. Please note that students in the neuroscience major will be deemed to have fulfilled this requirement by completing at least 12 credits in the alternative streams. No additional credits are required from this area. Finally, electives. Electives are the additional credits taken to reach an overall total of 120 credits. The courses you enroll into for your first year depend on your entry pathway. Please refer to your advising notes sent to you by email for the list of recommended first-year courses.